Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 26 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, the question is the splitting of light, white light into 7 colors is known as. If you see the picture, there is a white light which is passing through a prism, glass prism. So that light whenever enter into the prism, it will split into 7 different colors. It will split into 7 different colors. So this phenomena is called as dispersion. This phenomena is called as dispersion. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the second question, the array of 7 color extending from red to violet is called, right? So just now we have discussed when a white light is passing through a prism, it will split into 7 colors. That phenomenon is called as dispersion. In dispersion, there is 7 colors are appearance, right? We can see from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, right? So array of 7 colors extending from red to violet is called as spectrum, right? So the correct option is third option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the third question, the spectrum which consists of continuous wavelength, one color merges into another without any gap is called as. If you see the spectrum, we know that there is a light. In dispersion phenomena, light can arise into 7 different colors, right? So from red to violet. So in these colors, there is no gap between each and every colors. So all the wavelength has merges. So this kind of spectra is called as continuous spectra. This kind of spectra is called as continuous spectra. We can see here. So first there is violet and blue, indigo, green and yellow, red. Red is higher wavelength color than violet, so, right? So there is no any gap between all these colors. All are matched with the wavelengths, right? So this kind of spectra is called as continuous spectra. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, which of the following is an example for continuous spectrum? So they have given some option. The first option is sunlight, and the second option, when a solid is heated to very high temperature, becomes incandescent and emits white light. And the third option is both 1 and 2, and fourth option, neither sunlight nor solid heat at high temperature. So if you observe sunlight and a solid heat at high temperature, both are emitting the white light. So whenever the white light enter into the prism, they can split into 7 different colors. That phenomenon is called as dispersion, right? So that will show the continuous spectrum. So the correct option is sunlight, as well as when a solid heat into high temperature, they can emit the white light. So the correct option is the third option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question is, a spectrum in which contain wavelength are missing is called, right? Just now we have discussed continuous spectrum. In continuous spectrum, all the wavelengths are merged and they are mixing, right? If there is any wavelength are mixed, we can observe the difference, the separation between the colors. So this kind of spectrum is called as discontinuous spectrum. This kind of spectrum is called as discontinuous spectrum. So in this spectrum, the wavelengths are missing. The few of the wavelengths are missing, and we can observe the separation in colors. The red, yellow, green, blue, violet, indigo. We can observe the separation between those colors. So this kind of spectrum is called as discontinuous spectrum. So the correct option is third option. Third option. Clear? With this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.